Okay, so we're recording now. So, good evening, Sharks. So, my name is Raimundo Adoptante, and I'm the CEO of Translucent Innovation. As this is an apps application company located at Greater Vancouver. With me is our leadership team, Akshay, which is the director or a marketing director. Sonam is our financial director, and Jess is our CTO. So we're here today seeking an investment for $10 million for 5% equity in our cutting edge venture that is set to redefine the mobile app landscape. We're not just another app developer. We're your partner pioneering mobile application for a diverse range of user and industries. Our leadership team is committed to revolutionize the mobile apps experience. Okay. So the demand of mobile apps is skyrocketing worldwide. Moreover, more people embrace convenience for mobile computing. However, market is really saturated, and with countless apps and consumers are hungry for something truly innovative and reliable. So that's why Translucent Innovation is specialized creating a tailor-made mobile apps for Android OS, iOS, Windows Mobile, and Nokia platform. So our extensive portfolio spans with utility, productivity, everyday use, gaming, entertainment. We're not just about creating an apps, but we're creating an experience to the user. Moving on. So our core market includes corporate entities, business, industrial sectors, and individual who are crave for innovative and reliable mobile apps. We're not limiting ourselves, but we're also diving into health, education, e-commerce, and finance. So we're forging strategic partnership with hardware and software vendors, ensuring we meet our ever evolving needs of the market. So, and Translucent is not just a company; it's a commitment for quality and product services. As we ramp up our project, our financial forecast is nothing short of impressive. We anticipate growth of 13.9 for annual increase in mobile apps usage, as is shown in the study here. So our commitment is to excellence and strategic market positioning to ensure a positive trend in our first year or two. So translating dramatically to increase our EBITDA as our client base expand. So as you see here in the display, this graph clearly illustrates the explosive growth of mobile application, right? And so for our company mission, so we want to cultivate the individual potential, empower business, and improve customer experience and industries through our innovation mobile apps. And our vision is to Translucent will be the center of advancement for mobile apps. And our company values are commitment, accountability, quality, and collaboration and customer service. So I'm giving the floor now to our CTO, sorry, for our marketing director, Akshay. Akshay?
Yeah, good evening to everyone. As Thanks to Raimundo for introducing me and being a part of as marketing director in your team. To initiate with, I want to discuss with the marketing analysis tools like first of the consumer behavior. What is the consumer behavior? How they interact with our applications? Like how much time they are spending on in any application? Like for example uh, social media apps they are spending more time, and some type of music apps and food apps they are just using when they need necessary. The food apps They just use 2 minutes. Meanwhile, the Instagram apps they are using more than 20 to 30 minutes. And this in the same thing, the purchasing habit is also a very crucial part for marketing because, like Spotify, people would like to listen ads instead of purchasing their premium plan to skip the ads. So we have to focus that with what kind of the application people are more focusing and they are purchasing, because if people feel they are more creative after spending few bucks on that specific app, that's why they are spending these type of specific app. And we have to focus on the consumer motivation. What are the motivation they are using our apps? We have different types of app. We work on like health, financial. So there are major area where people can use our application on the basis of their criteria. So can you please next slide? Right. Yeah, here are some another tools we use in the marketing analysis. These tools are some technical tools like data analytic tools like sentiment analysis. We use Python programming language to analyze the reviews. People are reviewing in our website of different application. There are thousands of reviews, but we cannot read one by one. So we do market sentiment analysis using some uh, Python programming language just to find out the feedback is negative, positive, or neutral. And for furthermore, evaluate target audience and competitors and pricing as well. Uh, we have to if we are talking about some the one application, one is social media and the another one is financial application, we have to target our audience. If we are making social media app, our target may be more than younger, but we if we are talking about the financial or something management application, so we have some specific audience or specific target. Meanwhile, the price of the product we are offering to the consumers, we have to check that other companies are offering the same price or lesser than. So the pricing and competitors are also very playing a big role in the marketing. And the another one is the marketing dynamics. Like in the COVID pandemic, we can see that the a lot of loss happened to many companies, but it this is why we have to care about for the government or something COVID like situation in the critical situation, what are the forces that are changing the marketing or transporting. So we have to check in the like this. And the next slide is for the product and services.
Okay, next is Simon. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Okay, our translucent innovation company is committed to deliver cutting-edge mobile apps to our clients. And these are our products and services. For our mobile app development, it will be applicable for iOS and Android platforms. And we also will offer support and monitoring application. It is a part of interaction and support to gain our client satisfaction. All our deployed application will have 1 year free of site cost support for all issues, updates, and amendments as necessary. Our key value that will set us apart from our competitors is that even after deployment of the app, our client will always be able to access the development side and create amendments, improvements, or trials without affecting the ongoing operation of the app. Within the click on the app, they can send their recommended amendments, and our key programmers will investigate and come up with a proposal to our clients to proceed with the new improvements on the existing app. We also do offer consultation and advising in order to bridge the gap between customers and developers. We will offer these services to them and create app free of charge. And we also do give app salvaging. As you know, there are a lot of app companies all around. So in worst case scenario, if the customer experience a bad service from other developers, we will offer to salvage their app development and offer solutions to their issues. And for our future product plans, we are looking forward to have a training services for app development, such as basic training for aspiring app developers or coding experience for kids. And we try to expand our business also by providing a mobile phone and computer software and hardware services such as PC software development and even having a mobile phone and PC stores. So next service will be our marketing and sales.
Yeah, after analyzing the marketing of the technology department, and we what we are doing in the marketing sales, the first thing is optimization. When someone is searching any kind of application, we have financial application. Just if people are searching finance, our application they show our application on the upward. That is called optimization. We have spent many of hours to enter the keyword. If people are searching, just our website and applications are always in the recommendations. And in the meanwhile, social media is also a great platform for the marketing to reach out the different kind of consumers. So we can uh, marketing on the social media in the different ways. First of all, there are some paid marketings with the influencers, and there are also in the paid marketing to sponsored when we are paying to recommend on the another phones so they can visit our application. So that there are several ways to use social media. And other marketing strategies are like our application things are on the big banners, and they are on the radios, on the news channels. In the meanwhile, some songs, there are some celebrity are promoting our application. So we are following different kind of marketing strategies as well. Meanwhile, the major marketing strategies that we are following. Meanwhile, the small is also affecting the marketing.
Next is
And
Jess.
for our operations and management, we are committed to deliver cutting-edge mobile application for an efficient and effective operations and management proposal to achieve our goals and objectives. So basically, we have our organizational structure composing of leadership team that will be consist of positions that will make decisions and drive the company's goal and business objectives. Our project team, which is composed of managers responsible for handling and overseeing projects from conception to completion. Our app development team, which are skilled developers that will focus on developing applications on a technical basis. We also do have our quality assurance department that will technically inclined individuals, but will focus more on the quality control, testing, and application functionalities. We also do have our sales and marketing that are client oriented, and they will do the service promotions and manage client accounts, and our finance and administration to handle financial aspects of the company and employee. Our proposed location and facility management will adapt the hybrid work model where employees will have the opportunity to work from home and office, and this will give the employees more work-life balance to uplift their quality life and boost productivity. And for our operations management, our project management team, which will be composed of project managers, engineers, programmers, to track the progress and allocate and acquire necessary resources to manage key deliverables and overall project timelines. We also will have our app development tools that we will use the most advanced and latest programming tools and follow customers' requirements and specifications. Beta testing and stress test will be part of our quality assurance for functionality, adjustments, revisions, and improvements. And we will have our client participation to ensure clients' involvement throughout the whole project development. And lastly, we will have our value integration operation. We will use a KPI process or a key performance indicator and formulate this KPI analysis. We will also implement our lean design, which to maximize the value while minimizing activities such as defining value, mapping the value stream, creating a process flow, using a pull system, and pursuing perfection. We will also use this risk assessment and management tool to formulate RA strategies and mitigate potential risks that will cause delays and over budget. And lastly, we will have a client satisfaction tool that will be the priority of all projects, client participation in all key timelines. And lastly, for our financial allocations, we will deliberate the financial plan for each project covering these items such as project budget and revenue forecast, cost control, and budget safety net and insurances. Next. Next is our financial plan by Tsunami.
Saram, your turn.
Now it's my turn. Yeah. So, good evening, all of you. First of all, I want to say that financial planning is very important, in which dynamic process, financial goal. We should companies should set financial goal, assess your current financial situation. It is very important. Identify the short-term and long-term financial goals. Short-term goals may include paying off debt, vacations. Long-term goals could involve retirement planning, buying, um, insurance planning, investment plannings, retirement plannings. All are very important in this. Um, Goals, cash flow in second chart, business planning, insurance, estate planning, investments, and tax planning is very important. So in companies, they have to work on so many things, such as maintaining financial plan. Also, they have to work on goals, developing financial plan, implement plan. It's very important. Regular, they should also regular reviews and adjustments. Financial planning is not a one-time event. Regularly, they review your financial plan, make adjustments, and need based on changes in your life, goal, economic environment. Estate planning, plan for the distribution of your estate assets after your death. This may involve creating a will, establishing trust, and naming beneficiaries for your account. That's it. HR department, qualification changes, management people, skills, functions, job, training, marketing. All these are things very important in this. Recruitment and staffing. HR is often involved in recruitment, selection process, include creating jobs, description, posting job, advertisements. Employee relations are also very crucial. HR is responsible for managing rotation between employees and employers. This include addressing workplace conflicts, conducting investigation. Compensation and benefits are also very essential in HR. They should work on HR manager, compensation, benefit program, performance, and management. HR is often involved in designing and implementing performances management system. This includes setting performances, expectation, conducting performance reviews, training and development. HR oversees training, development programs, which help to increase skills, knowledge of the employees. This can include both specification, training, employees engagement is also play biggest role. Next is compliance in a business world. Um, this is very important. Legal compliance. There are so many included in this. Regular regulatory compliance. Industries are often subject to regulatory bodies that establish rules and standards. Compliance involves guidelines set forth for the regulatory agencies, data protection, and privacy compliances. With the increasing focus on data protection and privacy, organizations need to comply with the laws such as General Data Protection Regulation. Apart from this, ethical and standard and codes of conduct. Organization often establish wait a second. Financial compliance involves accounting standards, tax calculation, and financial reporting requirements. Health and safety compliance is also a necessity. Necessary compliance and health and safety regulation is critical to providing a safe work environment for employees. This includes safety standard, providing proper training. Quality standards are also important. Organization is manufacturing services. Industries may need to comfort with quality standards. Um, Anti-discrimination and diversity compliances is also including in this. Compliance with anti-discrimination law and efforts to promote diversity. Um, Organizations need to ensure that employees' practice are fair and they provide equal opportunity to all employees, regardless of factors such as race, gender, uh, or authenticity.
Right. Thank you so much, Ark. And that's our pitch for tonight. Thank you.